Nara Great Buddha in Todaiji Temple is the most important and greatest Buddha in Japan. The 15-meter bronze Buddha image, surrounded by the Great Buddha Hall, was originally constructed in the 8th century. Unfortunately, however, several disasters critically damaged these architectural marvels. The currently existing Buddha and Great Hall were rebuilt during the 17th century. We have been attempting to restore this great cultural heritage object to its original state through the use of digital techniques. First, the current view was captured with three-dimensional laser scanning. Using the digital model and the literature survey enabled us to synthesize the original model. In May 2001, we spent 2 weeks for digitizing this great Buddha. In order to retain the higher viewpoints, scanning was done not only from the ground, but also from the ceiling. First, 180 range images were converted into a triangular-based mesh model. Then all partial mesh models were aligned together, avoiding error accumulation by using our simultaneous registration algorithm. After aligning all mesh models, our octree-based parallel volumetric view merging algorithm was applied to determine the consensus surface and generate a unified mesh model of the Great Buddha. This information is vital for cultural conservation and will be useful for further simulation of original state restoration. In the history of Japanese Buddhism, temple architectural styles have gradually changed. The current Buddha Hall, built in the 17th century, is distinctly different from the original style. Fortunately, about 100 years ago, architectural historians built a miniature of the original state according to the literature survey and a comparison of the architectures of the same period. We have also scanned this model using laser sensors. Due to the limit of the sensor's accuracy and measurement configuration, however, the finer portions of the miniature cannot be acquired at a satisfactory level. Toshodaiji Temple is a construction of the 8th century and retains the ancient styles of Buddhist architecture. In June 2001, we went to Toshodaiji and took the partial 3D model. Totally, 780 range images were taken for 20 parts of the architecture. From the miniature model, the global positions and rough dimensions of the parts can be acquired. We extended our alignment algorithm to be able to determine the optimal scaling parameters. The miniature model was combined with parts models into the final one through this extended algorithm. The last step was the restoration of the Great Buddha. The literature survey enabled us to determine the dimensions of the original Great Buddha. The current model was morphed into the original model using these dimensions. Through digital composite morphing technology, using the archaeological knowledge, we can synthesize the original view of the Nara Great Buddha and its main hall.